So I finally found these things at Walmart. Ordered our first set off of Amazon, and now this is the second generation, and we found them at Walmart. So our super duper good helper Logan is gonna open them up to see what's inside.
Can you help me open it? It's hard. Wait, you can flip any single one.
You need some scissors for that. Yep, this is collection 2, bunch 2.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the first ones you had. Do you still have one of the first ones you have?
No.
You should go find it in your bedroom. Because you can connect them all. Remember?
Yeah, but.
Remember that they all connect. They connect here. They connect here.
But remember, these are 3. This is the 3D pack. Okay?
This is bunch 2.
Yeah, 3D pack.
All right, go ahead. Open your first one.
Okay.
Let's see what we got.
I hope it's the alien. I think it's the alien one right here.
Come on, hurry up and open it. Taking so long there, bud. Here.
No. Wait, no. Wait, no. No.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
All right, one at a time. And then we'll go get your other ones and show people what first generation look like, okay? Show them how you're opening it there. See that? You open the banana. When you got one, hold on, pull them all out. Pull it all out before you open all that. 1 present, 2 surprises, 3 different surprises. Boy, that sure is a pretty banana. And you can close them back up, and you can put all kinds of different secrets in there. Okay, what's inside?
No, it wasn't the alien guy, but I think.
What is it? Show the camera. Oh, he's so cute. Is he squishy? He's kind of squishy. Let's show everybody. We got to show everybody.
No.
Logan, this is YouTube. You remember watching YouTube, right? All right, what's in the next bag? Why don't you use scissors or something? And here's a collector's guide. Here's our collector's guide, everyone. Looks like we got... Hey, come on.
I really want the alien guy.
Alien guy. Oh,
Yeah.
he's cute. Yeah.
It's right there.
Well, maybe you'll get him. Whole bunch of them. Come on, open. Come on, take it forever. Let's go.
Ah, it's just so hard. Ooh, I got a lemon. Wait, is this? Oh, I got a lemon.
A lemon? Is that like his toy or something?
I think it's his little thing.
What's that? Show the camera.
I really don't know.
Show the camera there. Hold on. Oh, looks like a mushroom.
They're funny.
Yeah, I really don't know what that is either.
Wait, this one is
Do you know what
already
this is? Go ahead and let us know in the comments.
open. Yep.
That's the front. That's the back. All right, now what else? I opened it for you. I opened it for you. You gotta show them what you got.
Okay.
And here's their little hooks they come with.
Yep.
And these are their little platforms. Put it together so they know how it looks. You put this little guy on here.
And turn this up.
And then you put this little guy on here.
Oh. Put it on there. Really good.
And then, when you get new friends, you hang them forever and ever. All right, here we go. Banana number 2. Go ahead. Hey, let's keep our guys together here. All right, open her up.
Okay. Oh, there's another collector's guide. Let me see it.
Another collector's guide inside of there? Yeah, let's show everybody the collector's guide.
Gotta open it first. Oh, it takes forever. It takes forever to open these.
Maybe we should save that, huh?
Yeah.
Since we can find these things at Walmart now. We've never been able to. We've seen a commercial for them, and they were never, ever at Walmart.
Oh, these are the rare ones.
Ultra rare.
Yeah, ultra rare. And this alien guy is ultra rare too, but these ones.
All right, show me what the banana has. Get that other one out of there. Let me cut these open for you.
Like, can I open this one? Can you?
There you go.
I'll open this one.
Go ahead. Open it up. You're opening them all, buddy. I'm just starting it for you. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Who's our guy? Who's our new friend? Who's our new friend?
Looks like a lion.
We got a sticker?
Yep.
You dropped it, Logan.
Okay.
Where is he? You dropped it. Here he is. Here you go.
It looks like a little lion.
Okay, well that's just a sticker. Okay?
See him. I can see his teeny ears.
All right, let's put him on his banana. That sticker. Just like that. So we know whose house is whose, right? Well, didn't this guy come with the banana? I mean, didn't that guy come with the sticker?
Uh-huh.
It don't look like it. He did. Here it is. We missed the sticker. Logan, I already opened everything. I opened everything already. See that? Quit using your teeth, please. I already opened it all.
But I
Everything is open.
I couldn't get it out.
Here, take that sticker and put it on that guy's house. Okay?
Wait, my hands are wet. Then we'll...
Here's our new friend. He's a lion, Logan says, but I don't see the